How to fix Instagram follow problem. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot follow problem in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is very easy and simple. Just click on the settings on your phone. It will take you to this page right here. You will find many options as you can see. Just go to the apps manager like this and then go to the apps. Now here you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Go to the Instagram app like this and click here on force stop. When you click on force stop, it will stop the app, unfortunately, and then go to the storage. Click on this clear cache option. When you click on it, click then on clear data and then go back. Click on the power usage details. Click down here on this force stop if it's enabled. Now go to the app launch and make sure that this option is on. Now turn off your phone and turn it on again and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching the video.